And we are getting some breaking news from Chhattisgarh, where Sai Baba followers clashed with devotees at Dharam Sansad, or the gathering of seers in Chhattisgarh. Jitendra Kumar, representing views of Sai Baba, ran into an argument, and we are going to get details from Hemendra. Hemendra, what exactly happened here?
Well, this Dharam Sansad, or religious parliament, was convened by the Shankaracharya Swami Swarupanand Saraswati, and the purpose of this two-day Dharam Sansad was to discuss whether the Shirdi Sai Baba should be conferred the status of God, and whether prayer should be offered to him or not. In fact, the Swami Swarupanand Saraswati has in fact taken up grudges against Sai Baba and said on several occasions in the past that he doesn't deserve to be conferred the status of God. So today, these two devotees of Sai Baba of Shirdi, Jitendra Kumar and Ashok Kumar, they turned up at the Dharam Sansad. In fact, the Shirdi Sai Baba Trust had decided to boycott this event, but these two people, they turned up at the Sansad and they tried to represent their views and question the many ills that are plaguing the Hindu system today. And it was because of this that the two got heckled by the other seers who were present on the stage.
Okay, well, just stay on with us, Hemendra. Let's just listen into what exactly happened, and we'll be back with you in a minute.
मैं शंकराचार्य के चरणों में बैठता हूँ और हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, अनशन के लिए आओ बैठो। मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ, शंकराचार्य भगवान के चरणों में बैठता हूँ अनशन के लिए। आज के बाद से पानी नहीं पीऊंगा, पानी नहीं पीऊंगा। महाराज के चरणों में बैठता हूँ। आजा बैठ जा, आइए बैठ गया, आप बैठ जा, आप
उनको बोलने तो दीजिए, जो प्रश्न है वो सुनने तो दीजिए।
आकर के बैठ जाओ भाई, मैं बैठ रहा हूँ। शंकराचार्य हिंदू धर्मों को चैलेंज कर रहा है, मैं बैठ रहा हूँ।
कृपया जी,
अन्न जल के बिगड़ अन्न जल के यहाँ पर आइए, बैठिए। जौन जितने साइन जल भी ग्रहण नहीं किया जाएगा।
जल भी नहीं ग्रहण करेंगे। आ जाओ। अरे भाई कोई बात नहीं, सम्मान के साथ मैं शंकराचार्य के चरणों में बैठता हूँ और हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं अनशन के लिए आओ बैठो। मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ, शंकराचार्य के चरणों में बैठता हूँ अनशन के लिए। आज के बाद से पानी नहीं पीऊंगा, पानी नहीं पीऊंगा। महाराज के चरणों में बैठता हूँ। आजा बैठ जा, आइए बैठ गया।
Well, essentially what's happened there is that two followers of Shirdi Sai Baba had been heckled at this Dharam Sansad in Kwardha in Chhattisgarh. Hemendra is just giving us the details on this. Hemendra, did it all eventually settle down?
Well, it has settled down in the sense that the two have now gone away from the spot. In fact, if I would take you back through what has actually happened is that Swami Swarupanand, the Shankaracharya, he has been saying for the past couple of months that Shirdi Sai Baba doesn't deserve to be conferred the status of God, and there is no tradition in the system of Hinduism where there is no reference of Sai Baba as God in the various texts, and he has quoted various texts like the Ramcharitmanas and other religious texts of Hindus which suggest that there are gods in Hinduism, but Shirdi Sai Baba is nowhere mentioned. And this two-day religious parliament, or Dharam Sansad as they are calling it, was convened by him to discuss and to once again conclude and come to the conclusion that Sai Baba is not God. The Shirdi Sai Trust had boycotted this event, but these two, Jitendra Kumar and Ashok Kumar, who are followers of Shirdi Sai Baba, they came to the event and they were representing the views of the followers of Shirdi Sai Baba. And while representing their views, they started discussing about the many evils of the Hindu religion and suggested that these are the things that the religious parliament should be discussing. And it is on this that the fight broke, and as a consequence, these two side followers were heckled.